Okay, so in this question we're told the diagram represents a vertical wall PQR. RS is horizontal to ground, so that's why we know that's a right angle. SQ is a metal support of length 7.5 metres. Okay. The height of the wall is 10 metres, so right up to P is 10 metres. For the wall to be effective, the length PQ must be at least 3 metres. Okay, so PQ, this distance here has to be 3. Okay, since the wall is a total of 10, that means RQ has to be less than 7. Okay, so RQ is less than 7. Okay, so for the support to be effective, the length PQ must be 3. Show that when the angle RSQ is 67, the support will be. So we're telling RSQ, this here is 67. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that angle and a bit of trigonometry to work out the length of RQ. Okay, so if that's 67, then this is going to be the opposite. This is going to be the hypotenuse. This is going to be the adjacent. Okay, so which ratio will we use? Well, we're looking for the opposite, and we've got the hypotenuse. So if we think about it, okay, this is my little aid memoir, so katoa. So is the one that involves opposite and hypotenuse, so we're going to use sine. So we know that the sine of 67 is going to be the length of QR divided by the length of SQ, which we know 7.5. So that means QR is equal to 7.5 times sine of 67, which is 6.9. So as QR is less than 7, that means PQ is greater than 3. Now, say most people would have forgotten to do the last bit there and actually work out what PQ is. But if that's 6.9, then PQ is 3.1. So we know that I left out that wee calculation, and that would have done them down in this question, because you did have to go on and then show her why it was effective.